Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to check your saved passwords in Windows. Now before we can do that, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to subscribe to this channel. Please, it really helps. And if you have already, thank you so much. It really helps. Now let's get back to the video. The next thing we want to do is learn how to check our saved password in Windows. Now we usually use the credential manager. This is how we do it. So go to the Windows search bar over here and click on it and then type credential manager and then you open it, and once you've done that you're gonna see two credentials, sort of credentials over here. We have the web and we have the Windows. Now for the web credentials, these are the passwords saved for websites you visited using Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. You can see mine over here. Now the Windows credentials, these are passwords used for network logins or other system level credentials. So to be able to see the password, you just click on the arrow next to them, click on it, and it will show you the credentials. So that's it, to show you. In case yours is locked, if you click on it, you have to click on show and then you enter the Windows password to confirm and view the saved password. So same thing here, you want to view it, just click on it. As you can see, last player, you can see. So if I want to open it, I just click on show and then I put in my password and then click on OK and then to show. It's as simple as that. So this is important. Viewing saved passwords can pose a security risk if your device is not properly secured. If your device is not properly secured, it can pose a security risk. Then if you use other browsers like Chrome or Firefox, you need to access their built-in password manager to view their password. For example, for Chrome, I use Chrome, so I'll show you how to view the password on Chrome. Then you can also consider using a dedicated password manager like LastPass, 1Password or Bitwarden for better security and organization. Now to show you for Chrome. So you click on the three dots at the top right corner, then you can see password and autofill. Click on it and then click on password manager, and then you can see all the networks, and to see their password you click here next to it and then continue from there. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. I know you did. So don't forget to hit the notification bell and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget also to prioritize the security of your device and use strong unique passwords for each account. It's really important to avoid getting hacked. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.